Hello PancakeSwap holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again I'm present with another update of the PancakeSwap. My friends, don't miss this video, don't miss any second of this video. If you miss any second of this video, so there is a chances to you will get lost. But if you watch this video completely, so my friends, there is also chance that you will get profit from the PancakeSwap. My friends, at this time, if we look the currently price of the PancakeSwap in the market, so the currently price of the PancakeSwap is 16.35 USD dollar. 16.35 USD dollar is the currently price of the PancakeSwap. On the other side, you can see here if you look the price changes of the PancakeSwap. So the last 1 hour price change is negative. Last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occurring in the PancakeSwap is going negative. Fast down occurring in the PancakeSwap from the yesterday, also from the last 1 weekend. So people are very worried about the PancakeSwap future. They understand a lot of people disappointed by the PancakeSwap, and they understand that PancakeSwap have no idea to the price of the PancakeSwap will pump in the future. But my friends, don't lose hope, don't be disappointed by the PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a good cryptocurrency, and I hope that they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the PancakeSwap. Oh my goodness, you can see here from my friends, that is the last only price chart of the PancakeSwap in from the yesterday in the last 24 hours. The PancakeSwap price is completely fast down, but my friends, the price of PancakeSwap is completely fast down, so does not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. Every cryptocurrency is fast down, does not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. You have a patience, my friends. You have to wait, my friends. Wait. Be patient. I hope you know what is my prediction about PancakeSwap. My prediction is positive about PancakeSwap. I believe, I'm sure that PancakeSwap will take a pump. But now in this time, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. All cryptocurrencies is going down. Same like that, PancakeSwap also going down. It's time to hold, my friends. My friends, at this time, I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sit, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about PancakeSwap? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.